Hello, my reading friends. This is Miss D from Read to Me, Miss D. And I am so happy. We are going to be learning about construction workers. They are community helpers, and we have so much construction going on that I thought maybe you'd want to learn a little bit more about them. They have to be very careful to be safe. Again, we have a table of contents. I've been reading a lot of books that have a table of contents. It's very exciting. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different chapters. Then we have a glossary to learn more and an index. Ready? Time to build. Robert is building a new house. He carries wood to his work area. He's carrying all that wood. He needs to be strong. Robert builds a wall with his hammer and nails. The house will be ready soon. Can you point to the hammer and the nail? What are construction workers? Construction workers build roads and bridges. They also make buildings. And you'll always see they have safety vests on and a safety helmet. They work at construction sites. Sites are found in both big cities and small towns. This is a construction site. What do construction workers do? Construction workers first prepare their site. They make sure everything is safe. They clean the area, then they move materials for the project. Look at all of these materials. Construction workers have a lot of gear. Small tools and big machines help them build. Construction worker gear: hard hat, safety glasses, tool belt, and hammer. What makes a good construction worker? Construction workers are strong. These workers lift heavy objects often. Construction worker skills: problem solvers, strong, good with machines, and careful. Safety is very important. They are also careful. Construction workers build our world. Glossary: construction site, places where construction workers build projects. Materials: things that are used to help make something else. Prepare is to get ready. Project is a building, road, or bridge that construction workers build. So this is your index. It is all the words that are important in the story, and the number after the word is the page that it is on. Thank you so much, my friends, for reading about construction workers. I learned so much, and I hope you did too. Thank you for being with me today. Remember that if you like this book, you can get to the link to purchase your own in the description. And if you like the story, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Read to Me, Miss D. Thank you for being with me today. Have a wonderful day and keep loving books.